Hello class, welcome to week number 5 of PSYU 322. Let's talk about what we have on the schedule for this week. We are halfway done, but we still have a lot to do. When you get into the week module, you'll see the spotlight summary. Make sure that you listen to that. And you're welcome. If you click on the week at a glance, it will take you to this page. You're going to see quote, the course learning objectives that we'll be covering, and then your checklist. Those items in black font are things to do, your readings, keeping up with things, and then the blue font items are graded this week. Right, if we get back to the course, you'll see a similar chart with your readings, that reminder to work on papers that are due in the upcoming weeks, and continuing to follow along within the School of Personality and the different topics, and then what is due. We'll talk about that in a moment. When we go to the course materials folder, you're going to find the PowerPoints associated with chapter 10 and the assignments folder. So in week 4, you completed the first half of this, was your initial posting. Week 5, now you have your peer response posting part of the 2-week discussion board. For this, it says you need to post to at least 3 of your peers and their initial postings. So you can engage with peers in your posting, but what counts for grading is you're responding to peers' initial postings, okay? So 3 of them this week, since it is a 2-week board, and this is the main work that you have to do for the board. It said it needs to address the following bullet points. Respond to the insights that your peers shared in their initial postings. Do you agree or disagree with those insights and why? What ways can you apply the principles that were shared to everyday life? Provide at least 2 examples. And do you see any ways that these principles are apparent in your own life? And make sure to explain. Your 3 peer response postings are due Sunday by midnight. All right. And then you also have your midterm examination. There's 50 questions. It notes you have 2 hours to complete it. And there's some other reminders down here as well. So that is due Sunday by midnight. And then finally, in the activities folder, you're going to find different resources for Carl Rogers, a video, several articles as well. And that is it for week number 5. Keep looking ahead. You have your application theory paper due at the end of week 7. Make sure you work on that if you have time. But I know it is a little bit heavier with the midterm exam, but if you have time to get into that. And that's it. Please reach out to me if you have any questions, comments, or concerns. Thank you.